The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has refused to reverse the removal of Martin Armawhule and 24 others as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. In a ruling via Zoom on Friday, the Appellate Court says a verdict reversing the decision of a federal high court that declared their seats vacant would amount to prejudging the appeal currently before it. While delivering its ruling, the three-member panel, led by Justice Jimi Olukayode-Bada, also fixed June 20 for the hearing of Amaewhule and others' appeal regarding reinstating them as members of the State House of Assembly. The justices asked all parties in the matter to maintain the status quo and cease all hostilities until the matter is heard and decided. A Rivers State High Court sitting in Port Harcourt stopped Martin Amaewhule from parading himself as Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly on May 10, 2024. The court gave the order after considering a motion brought before it by the new Speaker of the House, Victor Jumbo, and two others, to the effect that his seat had been declared vacant. Justice Charles Wali, while ruling on the motion ex parte, also barred 24 other members of the Assembly from accessing the complex or carrying out any such legislative assignment in the name of Rivers State House of Assembly. Dissatisfied with the verdict of the State High Court, Amaewhule and others approached the appeal court to stay the execution of the judgment and further proceedings in the suit. They argued that whatever decisions Jumbo has taken while in office should be set aside and that an accelerated hearing be granted in the matter. But the Court of Appeal's Friday ruling, refusing to reverse Martin Amaewhule and 24 other Pro-Wike lawmakers' removal, is another win for the Victor Oko Jumbo-led House of Assembly. The appeal court also stopped the State High Court or any other court from considering the matter until it was decided, as all appeals recorded are deemed to have been properly transmitted. The PDP had in December 2023 declared the seat of 27 of their members who won elections under the party's tickets vacant for defecting to the APC, while urging the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to immediately commence the process of conducting fresh elections into the 27 state constituencies in Rivers State. The PDP pointed out that sequel to their defection from the party, the political platform on which they were elected into the Rivers State House of Assembly, the seats of the respective 27 lawmakers have become vacant by virtue of Section 109, subsection 1G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended.
The court has not given any judgment to the contrary. The judgment is subsisting. The Constitution is clear as to how a member can leave his seat or vacate his seat. Our seats are intact. But what is important is that 27 members of the House are intact. We are working together for the people of Rivers State. We are doing our job. We remain members. We remain principal officers. Governor has no jurisdiction to say who is a speaker or who is not a speaker. Governor does not have any iota of claim or any provision in the Constitution or any law that gives him power to say whether the assembly is existing or not. The House of Assembly is a creation of law, is a creation of the Constitution. And we're happy with what we're doing for Rivers State. What we are seeing is corruption that is fighting back. Corruption is fighting back. Everything we have challenged the governor to answer, he has refused to answer them. All he's doing is to resort to blackmail, intimidation, media attacks. He has employed his media attack dogs. They are moving from one media house to the other, peddling falsehood against Rivers people, against lawmakers. We remain resolute.
Yes, sir.
Rivers' job has been given to us, which is to make laws for the good governance of our people in line with Section 4 of the 1999 Constitution as amended.
Section 109, subsection 1G of the Nigerian Constitution states that a member of the House of Assembly shall vacate his seat in the House if, being a person whose election to the House of Assembly was sponsored by a political party, he becomes a member of another political party before the expiration of the period for which that House was elected.
The 182nd Legislative Sitting Day. Today, the Wednesday, the 8th day of May 2024. Recall that the former Speaker, Right Honorable Edison Ogereye-Ehie, Esquire, DSS-RS, PhD, after successfully pioneering the affairs of the House and also duly recognized as the authentic Speaker by an order of the Rivers State High Court, given under the hand of Justice Danagogo, and on the 12th day of December 2023, tendered his resignation on the 29th December 2023. I want to thank you, distinguished honorable members, for electing me as the new speaker, pursuant to the resignation of Right Honorable Edison Ogren-Ehie, DSSRS, PhD. And in line with Section 92, Sub 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, you will agree with me that after the House last sat on 13th of December 2023 and adjourned synodically, there has been an avalanche of legislative rascality perpetrated by the 25 former members of the 10th Rivers State House of Assembly, led by the former Speaker, Right Honorable Martin Amaewhule. These former members, being fully aware of the provision of Section 1091 sub G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, defected from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressive Party, APC, and on 11th of December 2023, consequently, the Right Honorable Edison Ogren-Ehie, on the 13th of December 2023, wrote to the Independent Electoral Commission, INEC, declaring the seats of the 25 lawmakers vacant in line with Section 1091G and 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999. Further, my distinguished colleagues, there are plethora of cases pending in our courts further to the defection of the former lawmakers. All laws, plenary sections, and actions taken by the illegal House are hereby declared void and a nullity in the eyes of the law. The executive arm, the judiciary, and the general public are hereby called upon to disregard every purported laws enacted by the illegal assembly, as they all amount to nothing and they are exercised in futility. Furthermore, this House will want to most respectfully urge and call on His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, to desist forthwith from further dealings with the 25 lawmakers in whatever guise. Those members are merely floating and do not have any landing ground or anywhere to bat their ship since their defection to the All Progressive Congress on the 11th day of December 2023. This House is the legal and constitutionally recognized House by virtue of the defection and is ready to receive correspondence from and